Hey everybody, how you doing? Just wanted to share something with you. I'm gonna have to do this in two parts, or maybe I can like turn it around. Nah, I'll probably do it in two parts. Okay, we're talking about the death of dreams and how you can prevent, your dreams from dying, basically. And I got this idea because basically this Impala right here. So this Impala is called the Dream Killer. So I'm hoping you're enjoying this. And yeah, so why do our dreams die? Because everybody's got dreams, right? So, you know, I've heard of some. I actually just did a podcast on this with a girl who does Bitcoin trading, and she has a successful business now, but there was a point where she was almost going to give up on her dreams. And